Hey guys, it's Luis. Today I'll be showing you how to reserve your 2021 Ford Bronco. First, you're going to head to haciendaford.com. Under the new Ford navigation bar, click Ford Bronco. When you scroll down, you will see two options. Click Reserve Bronco or Bronco Sport. Next, pick and choose your Bronco. Log into your Ford account or create one. After filling in your information, make a reservation with your refundable deposit. Alright guys, and that's how you order your 2021 Ford Bronco online at haciendaford.com. Take care.